Alright guys, so today's a little bit of a big day. As you can see, the garage is open. I have a jack out and the Mustang's in the air. Putting the clutch in. I got an Exedy Mach 500 clutch in during Black Friday sales. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. I got a one-piece Ford Racing drive shaft I'm gonna put in, and a UPR safety loop for the drive shaft. So all that's going in. I had to take the front bumper off because I lifted the rear first and I couldn't get the jack underneath the front, so I had to take the front bumper off. It's not that hard because I've done it many times before for obvious reasons. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing today, and hopefully this will help me get deep 12s, maybe even an 11.
All right.
I'm gonna get my tool picker up here.
Flywheel clutch is all in, torqued in. Time to put the, transmission back on. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Alrighty guys, so as y'all can see, it's fucking cold outside. It's like 35 right now in Houston, which is fucking cold. There she is. So we got the transmission in. I don't know what the hell I filmed because I was just trying to get it together. I've actually had the clutch in the car for about a month now, and I haven't driven it because we had a small mishap. We were driving around, literally just drove around the block, and I guess the clutch line had slipped, or I don't know, something got kinked, and the clutch line was sitting on the exhaust. And as we were driving around, that hole burnt right on through, and we had a small little fire. Which, put it out. There's no damage to the car. I just had this, the fire extinguisher foam shit literally all over the engine bay. So I spent the last couple weeks cleaning out the engine bay. Had to wait for a new clutch line. I got a braided clutch line from McLeod. So got all that. So now I'll be driving the car, putting miles on it, and hopefully I'll have 500 miles on it by the end of the month. That way I can actually start testing and launching and getting it ready for TX2K. I won't be in a class for TX2K. I'm going to talk to him and see if I can just do like exhibition runs in between rounds or whatever. Because, obviously this car is nowhere near fast enough to be doing shit like that. So, yeah, hopefully, be doing that. So, yeah, got that new Exedy clutch in. I got a McLeod flywheel, McLeod braided clutch line. As y'all can see, I kind of cut out this part here. I'm redoing the exhaust at the moment. Right now it's like just an H-pipe. There's nothing else past it. I want to do a different H-pipe, like an actual 3-inch with a 2.5-inch crossover, and then like dump it right after, or maybe like glass packs and then dump it. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, that'll be the next thing to be done, and hopefully that'll be it mod wise for a while, because I need to start putting money into that thing. I just did wheel bearings on it, and now I have like a bunch of ABS lights on. Supposedly there's another ABS sensor in the back that needs to be replaced, and just put new HIDs in it, and I need a bumper. I need a bunch of shit for that, for Big Red. So after I'm done with this, Big Red's next. Maybe brakes also on this. The brakes are getting a little sketchy, but if anything's done to this, it's just brakes. Then focus on Big Red. But yeah, y'all have a good one.